Hey business owner, Tassos here. And from the moment I replaced traditional marketing funnels with quiz funnels asking attention grabbing questions in a certain way, I get 5x cheaper leads. I enjoy higher conversions, high volume because people love quizzes. They complete them like crazy. They share them with their network and they get to know more about themselves, me, myself, and I get to know more about them. I get to understand them better. I get to respect their privacy. I collect sensitive information that is zero party data, the most important type of data in the new Web 3.0 economy. I build trust from the very first moment and I get to segment people into different groups and serve those groups differently. And I provide personalized experiences based on people's answers. And I want to ask you, do you offer the same product to everyone? Do you offer the same version of the same product to everyone? Or do you categorize people into different buckets and serve those buckets differently? If this sounds amazing because it is, then wait until you see this. And how do we build those amazing quiz funnels and enjoy all those benefits? Well, there is no one better on this planet to help you build your quiz funnel from start to finish than the one and only my friend Inc. 500 CEO of the Ask Method company, Ryan Levesque. And there is a live training that's happening tomorrow and it's called Quiz Funnel Clinic. And it's a 4-hour fast track training to finally get your quiz figured out. And you'll discover how thousands of entrepreneurs use the amazing power of quiz funnels in their business and generate amazing revenue online, anywhere from $10,000 per month up to $10 million per month. And you'll discover the 3 steps to use the same system to explode the growth of your business in 2022 and beyond. Now, there is only one catch. This is a live only one-time training. So there are no recordings, no replays, no encores. You need to be there live. And it's happening on Tuesday, June 21st, 1 p.m. US Central Time. Be there, be live. Quiz funnels is the #1 strategy of asking questions, and we get Ryan Levesque, the best of the best, and we'll meet some amazing business owners that use quiz funnels. And I've built thousands of quiz funnels for me and clients with phenomenal results. So be there, June 21st, Quiz Funnel Clinic. During this half-day training, you'll discover the 3 types of quiz funnels to choose from and how to decide which one is right for your business. You'll discover the 4 different types of markets that are perfect for quiz funnels. And you'll get to know if your quiz will be a winner before you build it, of course. And this is a counterintuitive process, but lets you quickly and easily test drive your quiz. And you'll discover the 5 types of questions you should always ask. And you'll discover the 3 types of questions that you should never ask. And you'll discover the 7 things that you can sell when someone completes your quiz. And there are thousands of examples and templates for e-commerce, digital products, coaching, consulting, freelancing, local businesses, lead generation, and so much more. And there is more information right on this page. There are other guides and resources. There are downloads, visual guides, infographics, guides on data, implications of marketing. There are quizzes to see them in action. There is a contest. You can book an interview. And there is also a documentary where I'm building a quiz funnel in real time. And I mix things up and I use my 7 ideals methodology and the live event framework to create what we call the Live XP funnel. So bookmark this page because I'm adding content on a daily basis, and be on the lookout for my webinar tomorrow. I'm Tassos. I'm a marketing consultant, founder of the marketing agency Web Market Support, creator of the 7 Ideals methodology, and for the last 7 years, I've helped hundreds of brands, and I look forward to helping you discover the amazing power of questions and quiz funnels in your business. And register for the Quiz Funnel Clinic Tuesday, June 21st, and be there live. And keep in mind, this is important, there is restricted capacity. Once Ryan and his team are full, people will get left outside. So be there, be early, and discover the amazing power of quizzes and quiz funnels in your business. June 21st, Quiz Funnel Clinic. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.